Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how you can add a legend in an Excel chart. So here I already created a pie chart based on the data of month and cell column. So you can easily create a pie chart by selecting this data first, and then from insert you can see a option here for pie chart. So here you can see the different views of pie chart. So I am selecting the first one, and as I already created one, so I am deleting this one. So you can see the legend is already here. So if I delete that, there is no legend right now. So for creating a legend, you have to create on plus icon on the top right corner. So you can see there are option for legend, so you have to select this option. So here you can see the legend is on the right side of the chart, and so if you click on the right arrow, then you can see the position of the legend. You can see if I select top, then it positioned on top, and then left, and then bottom. So there are more other options. You can customize the position. So for now I will keep it at the bottom, and you can also change the mm, different features, like the fill color. You can color inside of the legend, and you can also give the color of outline, and there are many options. You can play with this, and also in the chart area, and also in the chart title. So you can select and then uh, customize it by putting different color, and also in the border color as well you can change. So there are lots of options you can do with legend, and you can also minimize the if you select if you deselect some uh, legend, like if you want to delete this, you can delete it as well. So like if you don't want to put November or December, you can just press on that and then delete the option from here. So that's all for today's video. In the next video I will come up more uh, elements on that, and there are also more options you can see from chart design. There are many things you can and use and customize your pie chart in Excel.